Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I will show you how to delete your YouTube account on a Windows PC step by step. First, open your preferred browser on your PC and go to youtube.com. Then make sure you are signed in with the account you want to delete. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner, then select Manage your account. In the left sidebar, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to more options and click Delete your Google service. You may be asked to enter your password again. Find YouTube in the list of Google services and click the trash can icon next to it. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You have options to permanently delete your content or hide your channel temporarily. Confirm your choice to delete your YouTube account. And that's it guys, your YouTube account and all its data will be removed from your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.